Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting both devices ready. Make sure your phone and Android TV are on the same Wi-Fi, whether 2, 4 or 5 gigahertz, because cross-network will block casting. On the TV, enable the wireless display or screen mirroring option in device preferences so it will advertise itself. On your phone, confirm you have the cast option, either in Quick Settings or Google Home, and update the app and system to prevent compatibility hiccups. Once done, you're ready to search for the TV from your phone. Now you actively connect. Open Google Home or the media app you plan to use and tap the cast icon. You should see your Android TV listed. Select the TV name, and when prompted on the TV, accept the incoming connection. This pair step secures the link. If you want exact phone content, choose Cast Screen/Audio. If only media, cast directly from the app for better performance. Make sure to adjust volume on both devices and close heavy background apps to reduce lag. To finish, stop casting explicitly via the cast icon on your phone or simply close the casting app. The TV will return to its home screen. If video stutters or audio lags, move the devices closer and try the other Wi-Fi band, or reboot the router and TV to clear transient network issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if the TV never appears, check for VPNs, mobile hotspots, or guest networks that isolate devices and reboot both ends. That usually restores discoverability and fixes the problem.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.